Unlock your earning potential. Effortless online income without investment. Welcome to your gateway to financial freedom, where your dream of making money online without spending a cent becomes a reality. First, dive into the world of online surveys. Companies are always seeking feedback and pay for your valuable opinions. Next, harness the power of social media. Create content that resonates, grow your followers, and brands will pay for your influence. Don't overlook the potential of affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission for every sale through your link. Embrace your inner writer and contribute to blogs or websites. Many platforms reward your contributions with a share of their revenue. Tap into the virtual assistant market. Offer your organizational skills online and help businesses thrive while earning from home. Lastly, unleash your creativity by designing and selling digital products. From ebooks to templates, your imagination is the only limit. Join countless others who have turned their online endeavors into a sustainable income. Start today, and the digital world is your oyster.